Hello everybody, it's Michael in this God Wars country. In the God Wars country, I'm Fluffantry, and this is my friend, Big of Unicorn, and this, the one so different, is Husker X Cosmos Cornbirds. And who's come to be? Oh my gosh, she's so different. Oh, she Busy Patrol. Look, I'm Busy Patrol. I'm Fluffantry. Want to say this of Tonight Show. Tonight Show is our different kind of the dark and this dark part. It's Raven Dark part. And she is our teacher. Our teacher so different. Welcome to the Tonight Show, everybody. And wow, who's he? He is Corman Swart. And Philip. Lord, what did you do? Hey, Swarman, go. In this, our red wolf of the dark forest. This is our best, and the last is Cactus Grow. Hey, what are you doing in there? We want to say it's our special school is Dark Past community. We say our tech is the way. We want to say Raven Dark Past is our teacher, and Fluffantry is one say of Big Unicorn, Husker, Busy Patrol, and we want to say we are bad guy, not bad guy. Oh, great. And we want to say to our community, we want to say goodbye.